This is the second half of lesson number 4, which we're simplifying and solving equations that contained rational numbers. So if you recall on page 7, we solved card B, and the answer was x equals 23. And then for card E, it was x equals 5. So we've solved 2 of these cards. Let's look at what the directions say now. Each of the equation cards on the left has the same solution as one of the equations on the right. Find the matching equations to complete the sentences below. So if we know card B, we're trying to find the matching card on this side. And they have the same solution, and fortunately, we know the solution. The solution to card B is 23. We also know the solution for card E. Card E is x equals 5. So card E and a mystery card on this side have the same solution, but because we solved E, we also know that that answer should be 5. So as you're solving all of the rest of the cards, if you want to find the answer for card A through E, you're going to know what the solution is as long as it's accurate. So the nice thing about these cards is they should match these answers, and if they don't, then you want to go back and check different cards to see for possible errors. So please continue this and have a great day. Thank you.